आप सबका फिर स्वागत है डीसीसी एनिमल हॉस्पिटल के यूट्यूब चैनल के ऊपर। और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं डेंटल केयर ऑफ डॉग्स एंड कैट्स। और मेरे साथ हैं डॉक्टर रमनप्रीत, जो आपको इसके बारे में तरीके से बताएंगे कि हमें कैसे डेंटल केयर करनी चाहिए डॉग्स और कैट्स के लिए, क्या क्या। तो डॉक्टर साहब, मैं आपसे शुरू करता हूँ। जब पप से लेके अगर आप हमें को थोड़ा सा बताएं, पपी स्टेज से लेके और ओल्ड एज तक, कि क्या क्या हम लोगों को ध्यान रखना चाहिए, क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं, क्या क्या तकलीफ़ें पप्स को आती हैं और पेट पेरेंट्स को आती हैं, जहाँ पे उनको डॉक्टर की सलाह चाहिए और उनको किसी को जगह इग्नोर करना चाहिए।
So, if we have to talk about the dental health of dogs, the first thing we should keep in mind if we are buying a puppy, that is tooth are very sharp at that age, at the age of 2 months or 3 months. His tooth are very sharp, so we should, and they have a habit of biting onto everything, even onto our hands. Also, teething, yeah, it starts itching their gums, so they start biting everything. So we should be careful with our hands and all. We should provide them with toys so that their the jaws become tough and the musculature of the jaws develop. Second thing is,
आपको मैं रोकूंगा, जैसे जब पप आपको बाइट कर रहा है, निबल कर रहा है, स्क्रैच कर रहा है, उस वक्त क्या करना चाहिए आपको ऐसे?
For that we should give him some sort of training. We should go for behavioral training, that if he is biting you or any other human or any other family member,
क्या करना चाहिए उस वक्त?
we should wash our hands on a regular basis.
Yes.
Even if he is not biting, even if he is licking, then the dog's saliva contain a variety of bacteria, viruses or anything it might have. So we should wash our hands on a regular basis if they are licking us. And secondly, after the teething, there comes a phase of when the deciduous teeth of dog, they convert to permanent tooth. So sometimes pet owners are very freaky that my dog's tooth are falling out. Yes, my dog's tooth are falling out. Sometimes they show up in the stools of the dog. So they freak out. They say, what if my dog will become without teeth? It will not happen. Ultimately, his permanent teeth will grow and he'll be fine throughout. Thirdly, we should avoid, teach our dogs not to bite onto very hard things as in iron or wires or things which stones and pebbles which can damage the upper layer of the tooth, that is dentine. If it is damaged, then their tooth will go sensitive. They'll not be able to eat properly, they'll not be able to drink water or anything else if they'll feel pain inside their tooth.
So what you advise as a toys to be, like for the pets that time, that what type of soft toys or hard toys or tricky toys, or what type of tools they should be?
Toys, they should not be completely made of plastic, because ultimately it's not good for our health also and their health also. They sometimes silicone toys are good, or the toy should be made up of raw hide, as the bones are available in the market. It will be better for the dogs also, as they'll get a taste, and it will be better for the owners also, because they'll stop biting onto other things if they'll get a taste of the
एक और चीज़ सब जो मैंने प्रैक्टिस में देखी, जो पेट पेरेंट्स आते हैं, और इतने साल हो गए मुझे काम करते हुए, उस टॉयज़ की क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं है। उसमें कभी
समटाइम्स
टॉयज़ ऐसे आते हैं तो जो टूट जाएंगे और वो उसको डाइजेस्ट कर जाएंगे पूरा का पूरा, लाइक अंदर ले गए, और वो फॉरेन बॉडी की तरह एक्ट करते हैं, एंड दे कम अप कि वो स्टक हो गया और केमिकल इतना ज़्यादा है उसमें कि दे हार्म. So what is your say on this?
Yeah, bad quality toys, as they're bad for human children also, they are bad for our puppies also. So I advise everyone to get either good quality toys, or if the dog is biting too much, you can feed him with or give them carrots, so for their dental health. And toys in a whole should be made up of good quality, because ultimately they do go inside your dog's mouth, and whatever the toy is made up of, some particle of that, even a micro particle of that might go inside your dog's intestine and stomach, and ultimately it will harm your pet. So for that, care should be taken. Whatever toys you just buy from the market, you should make sure that it is not harmful and it is not easily
How
breakable.
to choose those toys, and who guides you? We get tempted when we see many multicolored things and different structure things in the pet shop or over them, like your online shopping things,
We should always ask our veterinarian, because he is the expert in managing all those things and saying that what can be used for dogs as toys and what cannot. So always ask your vet first that if I am getting a new thing for my pet, it's recommended or not.
I think यहाँ पे एक और चीज़ बनती है, जो pet shop owners, जो sellers हैं, they should always sell a good quality. It's many times profit is needed. Everybody needs profit, but I think a quality product is very good to be sold out in the market. That should not harm. और वो चीज़ का हमें भी पता होना चाहिए कि भाई कौन सी चीज़ हमें खरीदनी है, कौन सी चीज़ हमें नहीं खरीदनी. खाली कलर देखा और शेप देखी और जंप कर गए नहीं.
And after that, if we talk about the dental health of your pet, the first thing comes to my mind is the plaque. Many of the owners, they just overlook the dog's dental health because they can't even open their dog's mouth. Sometimes they are aggressive, sometimes they are anxious, sometimes they just are afraid. Sometimes the dogs are afraid, or the owners are afraid that if they'll put hands or fingers inside their dog's mouth, he might bite. So the molars, the premolars, which are on the back side of the mouth, they are the most affected tooth, because the diets which our dogs on to these days, they are mostly wet, and wet diets, if they are fed to dogs, they have a tendency of forming more plaque as compared to dry food or as compared to raw food which dogs can be given. So if dogs are completely on very soft or mushy food, there is a tendency that they will form plaque, and that will hamper their dental health. And regular dental checkups are recommended every 3 to 4 months or 6 months, as whenever the pet owners have time. But at least once every 6 months it should be done, because if the plaque develops, ultimately it might lead to gingivitis, that is inflammation of the gums, and it might lead to formation of tumors also, and all these things happen because of just bad dental health. If good care is being taken, if regular brushing of your dog's tooth can be done, it is the best thing advisable.
All right. I think as Dr. Ramanpreet has, summarized things, let me just tell you a little bit more about it. जब जैसे डॉक्टर रमनप्रीत ने कहा कि पपीज़ के लिए पपी टूथ होता है, फिर परमानेंट टूथ आते हैं, और केयर कैसे करनी चाहिए, डॉक्टर के पास रेगुलर जाना चाहिए. अगर हम डॉक्टर के पास डेंटल हेल्थ को, अगर डॉक्टर को भी इन ए वे, डॉक्टर को भी जब रूटीन टेबल पे एग्जामिनेशन के रूटीन एग्जामिनेशन में आपको उसका डेंटल चेक करना चाहिए. इफ़ आई एम करेक्ट मी डॉक्टर साहब, इफ आई एम सेइंग एनीथिंग रॉन्ग हियर. डेंटल हेल्थ चेक करना हमारी ड्यूटी है, और पेट पेरेंट को बताना हमारा, मतलब अगेन इट्स अ ड्यूटी. और because it's a subject which was ignored from like decades. Nobody was talking about dental health. और अगर हम dental health की केयर ठीक से नहीं करते हैं, it leads to many diseases of heart, kidney and liver. So we have to realize this, that it is as important as you go for a blood test and your routine x-rays and ultrasound. So dental health checkup should be done by the vets, and it's compulsory for the pet parents to follow the instruction of the vet that प्लीज़ डॉक्टर साहब इसका डेंटल हेल्थ भी चेक कर लीजिए. और ऑन एंड ऑफ डेंटल क्लीनिंग, डेंटल प्लैक क्लीनिंग जो होता है, और पॉलिशिंग इज़ नीडेड. एनी tooth cavity or something that can be addressed by the veterinarian, it is, at DCC we do all these dental things. There are, like you will be surprised to hear that we do dental x-rays also. Their dogs have, dental cavities and tooth abscesses. So many things we encounter and we treat them. So please do not ignore the dental health of your dog. And thank you very much, Dr. Sir, for joining us and giving us a very informative things for the pet parents. And guys, do not forget to comment below and ask us anything what you have in mind about the dental health of your dogs. Thank you very much for watching us.